Hi everyone, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Welcome to my channel. Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Let's start. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Whew. So one card came out and my focus was on, of course, Halloween is coming. Okay. So messages they can't handle. Okay, they THEYCANT can't handle HANDLE. Whoever this is, you or the person or the situation, but I feel like it is because you are listening to me, they can't handle. Okay, and then one card came, my eyes were closed, I was shuffling. Wish I could record that as well. I'll try doing it later on in another video. And the card came through as the Lovers. I heard like someone is holding in feelings. This may be with the Gemini itself, because this is for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This may be you people might be dealing with another Gemini. So if someone is in Aquarius or Libra and dealing with Gemini, however, take it as like energy flow. Lovers is very harmonious meeting, union. It's like high realm reunions or unions. Okay, now this is also decision that is coming. I'm also hearing the words kind of like punctuations here. Okay, how you want to put that, how you want to work in that word is of course grammar, punctuation connected with all this stuff. Okay. However, this fits your situation. There is someone who is releasing the other person, or they did this process, and now the one who is supposed to be with the one is going towards that, like walking towards that. Okay, so whatever your situation is, if there was certain kind of triangle situation, if there was something that someone was coming out of past, if there was something like they were healing from something, you or the person, they can't handle. I feel like this way we can put that in like exaggeration of feelings here. Okay, this may be with, oh my god, okay, I was about to say, I never looked at it kind of that this is the Empress. I thought of like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, so somehow maybe this sign might be, okay, but this is the Empress. This is going to be very fruitful time for you and very prosperous time for you in anything that you are heading towards. Okay, now for many of you, this is about the Lovers, this is about being with the one, this is about reunion or union of high level. It's not just like we're going to talk, it is about we have talked and we are going to proceed with something. This is about marriages even. Someone who is interested in having those announcements like within family discussions, or at least this is going ahead between you and this person. So they can't handle is a pure important, like how to say, it's very significant relationship here that's I'm viewing here. And this card is really, it feels like I'm hearing the words normal, like it's nothing like now adventure. It is more of like subtle, calm energy of people understanding one another, coming together with one another, I'm sorry. And this is about we are going to be happy. So this is the card of like, oh, I'm going to be happy. Okay, so you people are going to be happy. What we say, like when we look at movies, after so many struggles or so many kind of like ups and downs in life, people are relaxing on the couch, eating popcorn or anything, or just lying and relaxing because they have done a lot of work, okay, regarding anything in their life. This is also about after achievement. This is something about hardships. So after hardships, what you are getting, this Lovers card. I know you people are interested. Take out more cards. Yes, of course I will. But the Lovers card is the significance of you entering in your harmonious connection or relationship, and you're already married or you are already in with someone. This is going to be booming, like it is a blessing. Okay, but somehow I feel like that someone did this decision of like, go, release. So if this is like coming back, then this is like a blessing. If it is like I release you, kind of like, or maybe you as an individual releasing your past, kind of now heralding on this beautiful journey. Okay, a little let's talk about, like, so many steps are there, like this and this and this. Okay, and now someone is not going here, they are coming, like taking steps for you like this, and then coming down to you. So let's meet. Some of you are planning on, or maybe you're about to give birth. Okay, now this is of course for female versions here, like the females out there. So this is child out of love, this is so important phase of your life, and the Empress entering in a new phase here, and everything is under control. Boom, boom, boom. So let's talk about what is for Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Heralding on a journey. Some of you are going to shift here. Now shifting won't take place in just like out of the blues, like overnight. No, this is going to take time, in coming like 2 weeks or 2 months at least. You people are heralding on journey. That's what I'm hearing again and again. Okay, and they can't handle, maybe they're missing you so much, maybe you are away for work or they are away for work, and this person is kind of like returning home and lying on the couch and like, I missed you bad, honey, I missed you, sweetheart, kind of energy. Okay, maybe you are returning home. Some of you have a pet, and this is cat specific. Okay, Miro, I'm hearing the name Mirrow. I don't know how this is coming, or maybe it is Mira, or maybe it's Mira with MIR, or possible, but I'm hearing the words like Mira or Mirrow, Mirrow, what that means I really don't know. Okay, I know Mira, but I don't know Mirrow I've heard, but I don't know. So maybe you're thinking of something about this, or some person is around like this with the name, because I picked up Anna, because in specific different countries, specific pronunciations are there. So, and someone told me, yes, it is someone's name. Of course it is someone's name, but they told me, yes, this is someone's name connected with the person. Okay, so Two of Wands is heralding on a journey, and it is very, very beautiful decision. I am hearing all like beautiful decision, and I feel like you may hear out from someone as well. Now why I'm saying that, it's not always that yes, you need to hear out from someone in every reading. No, this is someone who is possibly the one who cannot handle anything anymore now. Okay, which is connected with the feelings here, and I feel like with this energy, someone's gonna let out their feelings towards you, or however this fits you. I do feel that this person is about to contact you, and there may be distance between you both. Okay, there may be, I must say, like there may be deserts in the midst. Okay, now the deserts, how this situation fits you, or what the location is. Okay, yes, they can't handle here Nine of Swords energy. So something is, it's like when I say level up, it's like leveling up, kind of like water when come to this place and you can't breathe, and it feels the exhaust, and you feel like, oh, I'm choking. That kind of energy possible is the format. Okay, this person might be King of Cups. Second last card is King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean vibe. This person might be feeling deserts between you both. This may be the one who caused you a lot of troubles, and that's why you are heralding, like you're shifting your thoughts possible, you've decided something in the midst. Okay, with the Lovers possible, this is about someone from your past who is now married or is about to. But third last card is Ace of Cups. I feel like this person totally love you, or they feel for you, or they might be thinking about you even if they don't talk to you. And I feel like for some cases this might be almost like an year, almost like an year. You haven't heard from this person, you haven't talked with this person. It's like basically nothing. Okay, it's something empty between you both. This is what possible is the representation of Nine of Swords here. Okay, this is also about your trial or someone's trial here, which is now done. But I feel like this person, they can't handle, and these may be the feelings inside. Okay, I'm not going to take these cards though, but Ace of Cups with this person, this is what they wanted to do possible in that time frame, but somehow they couldn't. They might be handling their own things. With the Two of Wands energy, they might be en route, traveling, making decisions, shifting, working. Life is really tough and everyone is aware about it. Okay, this may also be that whatever you have done in this time frame, kind of like they can't handle you. Maybe they have that reason of telling you, because when we read something, when the message turns up, whatever first comes up, we give that message. Then second and third layers, they are trying to give me other messages. So they might be telling that, whoever, souls and spirits, they are telling that with the Lovers, possible there was certain connection and that caused you trouble. Now with the Two of Wands energies, maybe there were decisions that were done, distancing, shifting, better planning and procedure to something, or maybe you wanted certain procedure here, and which was in the position of like unable. Now here what I feel is, if this is about the one you might be thinking about, then they might be with someone. You might have done the release but not totally. Okay, if in the thoughts this person is still here or here, of course it's not easy though, I feel with the Two of Wands there is this person around you. Now if you try, you can meet them, if this is just from your side and they're not doing anything. With the Lovers, possible they can't handle is something that they were unable to handle you, maybe in that time frame, or maybe they can't handle you. They can't handle your emotions here, possible. But I somehow feel that this person can't hold in their feelings, I feel. It's a lot of like nervousness or something that they were manifesting, or they are manifesting in their life. It depends. I'm not giving dates because most of the times I feel like, what should I do? Because we are living by dates and months, of course. But then somehow, even if I don't give the dates, people are still living by that, right? So if it is pertaining with you now, it's going to go. Maybe my reading will reach to someone after 1 year. And in that time frame, they need that advice, they need that counseling, or they need that help. And they're going to get it, right? So my purpose is that these readings may go by and forever and ever. It shouldn't stay just here. However, I've just started focusing for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but before that there was certain message. And that message was not for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, supposedly possible for just an Aquarius. I don't know what they were trying to say, because they were not giving me any sign. They were trying to possible tell me just do the heart reading possible, and this is around Halloween, which is very weird message. I'm telling you, these are so many I can't take. Can you give us the card? Can you give us the card, please? Cool. So I heard messenger will, no, messenger won't follow the rules. Whoever this messenger is in your life, because they can't handle, they are going to send the message. Okay, how you're going to handle, because your bottom energy here is King of Cups again. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm just keeping these cards here, and the card that flipped here is the major message here. I just saw it. Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Because they can't handle, they're going to tell you something, or they're going to send the message, and what you are supposed to do. Some of you are going to be like, I'm going to cut the message. I'm not going to reply. I'm not going to handle it. Okay, all right, fine. But if you can handle well, you shouldn't do the cut. Okay, whatever your decision is. Again, the sticking card, which is second last card, is Ace of Cups. This person does have feelings for you, even if the process never went so right, I know. And then we have this thought of like, then if it is not working, then what I'm supposed to do? I'm supposed to move. Yes, of course, you are supposed to. No one is telling to not plan your future. No one is telling that, you know, just stop there, don't do anything. No, you have to do it. You have to move, you have to live, of course. But there's this Page of Swords coming. I feel it's time to take stand, or you took stand. But again, I just want to keep the message short. There's going to be certain message. And I feel with these two cards, this is the Hangman and Nine of Pentacles. Your position is about like, you're not having any brisk move, but you're working. You might not be with someone, but then again, possible it is about thinking about some offer here. Or maybe it is coming. It is en route, okay? Work-wise, money-wise, you are going to inherit possible something, or something that I see about payments and all that stuff, it is going up. You are financially independent now, more. Many of us work from home, work on job, like we go and do the jobs. There's uplifting energy regarding that. There's going to be sudden money coming your way. Someone may end up giving you from the family kind of, or you may inherit something, I'm telling you that. Or this is something connected with your work. You are basking in the sunlight, okay? I love moonlight, I love sun, but I love moonlight, okay, so much. I want to bask in the moonlight because I see some kind of mystery connected with the moon and the other side. So somehow I love everything on this planet. Of course, this is our planet, okay? We just can't end up saying, oh my god, this is my country. I would love to say this is my planet. Oh, I have to do so much of stuff here, and many things are now happening. You know that? UFOs, sightings. Okay, this is a topic we should talk, right? It's a very interesting topic, and a lot of stuff from the other realm. And I kind of get like, I'm going to record the reading for like Halloween special kind of, like I'll try. So in that reading, I just want to talk about a little bit of stuff, okay? I'm going to talk. Well, so there's someone who they can't handle, and that's why they are going to send you the message. This may be the opportunity of love. There is this very heavy energy of message coming through. Someone can't stop it because it's like, I feel like some of you are going to be like holding your phones, having the notification, and out of the blue message kind of like, now what you're supposed to do. With the Hangman, you're going to be a little bit stuck there with the thought of like no one can stop you, but still. So they can't handle. That is for sure. That is the energy that is coming. And I have those questions. What is that they can't handle, or what is going on? Someone does want to free themselves, which is particular card in this deck, free yourself. So, but let's see. Someone is seeking help to get in contact with you. They might be searching for your contact. They may take your number. They can't handle, I'm telling you that. They can't handle they can't handle your decision, your move, your dating, that you are about to move with someone, you get married or getting engaged with someone. If this is also the scenario here, because someone is very self-sufficient and single here. Okay, you can do it. Wait, why should I wait? I mean, whatever. So let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. And I feel this kind of energy is that they are seeking sources. Some of you been calling in your soulmate. Maybe you don't say it every now and then, but somehow when you are sleeping, you say like to the universe, or just in your area while you're roaming around, you end up saying that. Now you have calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations and visualizations help bring you together. Now for some cases, this person may be from your past. Why? Because there's messenger who can't handle. And the one who can't handle, maybe the new one, but someone who can't handle is the one who is approaching you, of course. Now you have, this could be the one, but it is reverse. Just look at it first. The message is, you have already met the romantic partner you seek. Some of you have met them. Some of you have met them and you haven't recognized them. So maybe the claiming part is left. Okay? Many people say, I claim your reading essay. Yes, this happened. Okay, good luck. So this could be the one. So you saw them, okay, but you never recognized that. Someone who can't handle here, I feel this is the one. This could be the one they're saying. And they can't handle that you are not letting them in their life, in your life possible. Okay, so let me talk to you. There's going to be a message and there's going to be push of little bit of initiation. It's like a small small tower business here. Small tower business. Look, Forest words, small tower business. Oh no, I don't want to talk. Oh, I'm not ready. Maybe inside you're saying to yourself, no. But out of the blues, Knight of Cups approach is here. And so Scorpio, Pisces. I don't know what is with. Even if I do Aquarius, they end up having Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in particular. Then even if I do Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, they end up having water signs. There's a lot of water signs like dealing, with people, of course. But apart from that, the energy is all about, they don't know how you're going to, but they can't handle, so they are up to something here, definitely. Let's see the flip. King of Wands, someone gonna approach. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius may be falling in your chart or their chart. However, this may be collab. But King of Wands is definitely en route. They're about to do something. I had a dream, and in that dream, it was a little bit because I was like, in that dream I was removing curtains or something, and then I saw that there was lizard on my leg, okay, sticking, was big lizard, and there is this lizard, I suppose. Yes, okay. So this may be something went offline or off track, off route, now coming in contact. This is someone from past energy as well, lizard and its tail energy. Okay, so the story. Take care, guys. I love you. Let's see what is going to be happening in your life. Okay, because somehow my own deck is here and they have this message on top, which is it's time. Take care. I love you. See you soon.